Is your 2011 to 2015 Ford Edge key fob not working? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. This video will guide you through a simple DIY replacement. First, confirm you have a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, the standard for these fobs. Alternatives like CR2025 might fit, but aren't recommended. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or ideally a plastic pry tool to avoid damaging the fob. Work in a clean, well-lit area. The process should take only 5 to 10 minutes. Note, if you use the key fob heavily or you keep it exposed to extreme heat or cold, the battery life will be shorter. New high-quality batteries like Energizer or Panasonic can last 3 to 5 years. Locate the seam on your Ford Edge key fob. Gently insert your pry tool or screwdriver into the seam and carefully separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking. Remove the old CR232 battery, noting which side is up plus. Insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing the same direction as the old one. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the fob's functions: lock, unlock, panic button. If it doesn't work, the fob may need reprogramming. To do this, insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position, and press the lock button 3 times quickly. If issues persist, consult your Ford owner's manual or a professional.